In every revolution, there are unsung heroes, individuals whose sacrifices shape the future. Yet, their stories are often forgotten in the shadows of history. Today, we shine a light on one hero, Gregoria de Jesus, the Lakambini ng Katipunan. While the Philippine Revolution is often remembered for its male leaders, Gregoria de Jesus played a crucial role that helped shape our nation's freedom. In this video, we will explore the life of this remarkable woman, from her humble beginnings to her unwavering dedication to the Katipunan. Gregoria de Jesus was not just a wife or a symbol, but a true revolutionary. I will take you through her historical significance, her contributions to the revolution, and how her legacy still resonates today. Join me as we uncover the life of a hero who fought, sacrificed, and protected the future of the Philippines. Hello everyone. Today, we honor one of the most courageous women in the Philippine history, Gregoria de Jesus, also known as Oriang. She was born on May 9, 1875 in Caloocan, Philippines. She was the wife of Andres Bonifacio and a key figure in the Katipunan movement. As a devoted patriot, she played an extraordinary role in the revolution, earning the title Lakambini of the Katipunan or the Muse of Katipunan. Her contributions to Filipino history cannot be overlooked, as her bravery and sacrifices remind us of the strength of women in shaping our nation. Gregoria grew up in a simple but hard-working family. She was intelligent and kind, and many admired her beauty and character. When she was 18 years old, she married Andres Bonifacio. At that time, Andres was leading the Katipunan, a secret group fighting for freedom from Spanish rule. Even though it was dangerous to join the revolution, Gregoria did not hesitate to support Andres and the Katipunan. She became one of the first women members of the group. This was a big deal because during these times, women were expected to stay at home and avoid danger. But Gregoria proved that women could play a big role in history. It was dangerous for anyone to be involved, especially for a young woman, but she didn't hesitate. She was given a very important role to keep the Katipunan's documents safe. These were not just papers, they had the names of members and secret plans for the revolution. If this fell into the hands of the Spanish authorities, the Katipunan and its members would be in danger. Imagine Gregoria would hide documents under her clothes and secretly bring them to safety. She risked her life every single day to protect the revolution. Sometimes she had to run through dark streets or hide in people's houses just to keep the Katipunan safe. She didn't show fear, she only cared about helping the revolution. When the Spanish authorities began to hunt down members of the Katipunan, Gregoria often had to run and hide. She would sleep in forests, hide in strangers' houses, or walk for hours just to keep the documents safe. Gregoria's bravery helped the Katipunan continue its fight. Gregoria faced many challenges during the revolution. The hardest moment of her life was when her husband, Andres Bonifacio, was betrayed and killed in 1897. This was a painful and heartbreaking time for her. She had already risked her life so many times for the revolution. and now she lost the person she loved the most. Even after Andres' death, Gregoria did not stop. She continued to support the revolution. She traveled different places to keep the movement alive. Her strength and determination made her an inspiration to many Katipuneros. She showed that no matter how much pain or loss she experienced, she would not give up on her love for the Philippines. After the revolution, Gregoria de Jesus continued to live in a simple life. She married again and focused on her family. However, her contributions to the Katipunan were never forgotten. She became a symbol of courage, loyalty, and love for the country. Gregoria's story is not as famous as others' heroes, but her role was just as important. She risked her life, faced danger, and made sacrifices and helped shape the future of our country. Without her bravery and hard work, the Katipunans' fight for freedom might not have succeeded. Gregoria de Jesus is a true Filipina hero. She taught us that bravery is not only about fighting on the battlefield. It can also be seen in the quiet acts of sacrifices and loyalty. Her story reminds us that women have always been strong leaders, even during times when they were not expected to be. Her legacy continues to inspire us today. Gregoria de Jesus showed us that if you love your country, you should be ready to protect it, even when the risks are great.